Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today is Monday. I am at CVS on Monday rather than Sunday because I had a travel filled weekend. I was traveling back from visiting my family for a week in Minnesota back to Texas, so I had a travel filled weekend. But it's Monday and I'm back here to go over the best deals of the week. I have some really good deals for you guys. All of them are either all digital or using printable coupons that anyone can access. No insert coupons I am using in this video, so anyone can do these deals. These are all super easy deals also. Now I have a couple of announcements. The first one is one I've been announcing in all of my videos is that you should download Merrifield. It's in the description box down below. It's way better than Fetch. They give you more points for submitting your receipts into Merrifield rather than Fetch. Both apps are receipts where your receipts convert for points that redeem for gift cards, but Merrifield gives you more points. Also, Merrifield gives you a $2 bonus when you sign up with my link in the description box down below or the pinned comment, whereas Fetch now gives you like 10 cents, and Merrifield's conversion rates are cheaper, which means that it costs less points to redeem for gift cards compared to Fetch, which just increased the cost of their gift cards. So definitely get the Merrifield app. Announcement number 2 is that the coupons.com rebate app is no longer functioning. Now, if you guys know a decent amount about couponing, we have manufacturer coupons that are digital coupons in the CVS app. And let's say you use one of those, but you buy 2 items. Well, the coupons are only going to come off for 1 item since they're one-time use. So usually what we do is we submit to the coupons.com rebate app, which is a manufacturer coupon rebate service for the second item. Or let's say there's no coupon available for the item, but there's a rebate app on the coupons.com rebate app, you can submit to that. Well, now the coupons app is shutting down and becoming ShopMeUm. You might already be familiar with ShopMeUm. You maybe have used the coupons.com rebate app, ShopMeUm, the Amazon Alexa app, all 3 like I have. But if you're not familiar, you're going to need ShopMeUm now. Coupons.com is no longer available. It became ShopMeUm. They were apparently always anticipating on shutting coupons.com app, that app down, and becoming only ShopMeUm. There was a while there where the 2 coexisted, but they are one and the same. So download ShopMeUm so that you guys can submit to those manufacturer coupon rebate apps anytime that we need to get additional savings. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First up, we have a super awesome deal again this week on the Old Spice men's deodorant. These are priced super high at my store at $8.79. Your store should have them priced significantly lower than that, but these are spend $15, get a $5 extra buck this week, so we're going to pick up 2 of them totaling $17.58. We have a 3-off-2 instant CRT that everyone got last week. Mine is currently 2 days expired. You can use those up to 2 days expired, so I'm going to use that one. And then we also have a new 3-off-2 manufacturer digital coupon that we can also use. So after the CRT and the digital coupon, I should be left to pay $11.58. I'm going to earn back that $5 extra buck for spending $15 before coupons. And then I'm also going to submit to the Ibotta rebate app for $2.50 back on each one, getting a total of $5 back from Ibotta. So that'll make my final cost just $1.58 for both deodorants, which is a really good deal. But of course, if your store is priced cheaper, these will probably be free for you this week. And if you're not already signed up for the Ibotta rebate app, it's linked in the description box down below to get a $5 bonus when you sign up. Next up, we have a spend $20, get back a $5 extra buck deal this week. So we're going to be grabbing one of the Tide liquid laundry detergents on sale for $12.99, the 92 ounce, and one of the Downy liquid fabric softeners priced at $6.99 on sale. The total for the 2 items is $19.98, which is at least 98% of the way to $20 for us to get back our $5 extra buck. We have a $3 digital coupon for the Tide and then a $1 digital coupon for the Downy liquid. So you should be left to pay $15.98, but then you're going to earn back that $5 extra buck for spending $20, making your final cost just $10.98 for both items. And then you can also submit your receipt to pggoodeveryday.com to get some points that you can redeem for Starbucks or Dunkin' Donuts gift cards. The link for pggoodeveryday.com to sign up and get some bonus points is linked in the description box down below. Rather than paying $10.98 for those 2 items, I would way rather get them for a $4 moneymaker, and you guys can get them for a $4 moneymaker through Wednesday, June 28th. If you're watching this on or before Wednesday, June 28th, you can still do this deal. So what you're going to do is you're going to need to, first of all, be a new member, be able to make a new Top Cashback account. Top Cashback is a rebate service kind of like Rakuten or Honey, where you shop through their links and then you get a percentage cash back. So you should be doing it. It's a no-brainer. But Top Cashback does a bunch of cool incentive rebate offers in order to encourage people to join, and one of those is going on right now. It's $15 back when you spend $15 or more on CVS household cleaning items. So we can pair that with the spend 20, get a $5 extra buck deal to get an amazing moneymaker this week. So what you're gonna do, you're going to click the link in the description box down below or the pinned comment. You're going to sign up for a new Top Cashback account, and that's going to take you to the landing page for this offer that has all the details. You're going to click on the Get Offer button. It's going to take you to the CVS site through Top Cashback. You're going to want to make sure that you see a screen like this, which is how you know the offer is activated, and you're going to get your $15 rebate back. Make sure you place your order through through a browser on your phone or on your computer, like Safari, Chrome, Internet Explorer, Firefox. Do not place your pickup order inside the CVS app. Again, place your order in a browser, not in the CVS app. So then you're going to log into your CVS account. You're going to add those same 2 items to your cart, the Big Tide for $12.99, the Downy for $6.99. Clip your same digital coupons. You have to log into your account in order for those to apply. The $3 for the Tide, the $1 for the Downy. So your subtotal should come to $15.98 before tax, and your total needs to be at least $15 or more after all discounts and before tax in order for this $15 rebate to work. So make sure that your subtotal, if you guys are changing the items around, does not drop below $15 even before tax and after all discounts, including coupons and extra bucks, in order for this deal to work. So pay your $15 or more if you're doing this same deal that I outlined in this video. Your subtotal should be $15.98. Pay that in cash out of pocket. Do not use extra bucks to pay, again, because your total has to be $15 or more after all discounts in order to get your $15 rebate back. Place your order for pickup, go pick it up, and within 7 days, the $15 rebate is going to show up in your Top Cashback account. You'll be able to withdraw it to your PayPal, your bank account, or as a gift card within 14 days, which is going to make the 2 items that you got free plus a $4 moneymaker, because you're getting back the $15 rebate, plus you're getting back a $5 extra buck, and you spent $15.98, so that's a $4 moneymaker. So again, through June 28th, linked in the description box down below and the pinned comment, go do that deal. If you guys are new to Top Cashback, rather than spending $10.98, we're going to get a $4 moneymaker. We have tons of good hair care deals this week. The first one is on Garnier Fructis products. The shampoo and conditioner and stylers are on sale for 2 for $8. They're buy 2, get back a $2 extra buck this week. And we have a 3 off 2 printable coupon from coupons.com that you can print. As long as your cashier scans that 3 off 2 printable coupon for the Garnier Fructis before they hit total when the digital coupons apply, a 3 off 2 digital coupon will also apply to the purchase of 2 Garnier Fructis items. So that should leave you to pay just $2 at the register, but then you're going to earn back the $2 extra buck for buying 2 of these, making your final cost completely free. We also have a separate extra buck promotion on the Garnier Whole Blends. It's a separate $2 extra buck promotion, so you can do both the Fructis and the Whole Blends. They're 2 for $8. Buy 2, get a $2 extra buck. We have the separate $3 off 2 printable coupon from coupons.com for these, and the same thing applies. We have another 3 off 2 digital coupon for the Whole Blends that will also apply. You're going to be left to pay $2, earn back the $2 extra buck, making your final cost completely free. If you are going to do both the Fructis and the Whole Blends deal with the printable coupons and you want the digital coupons to come off in the same transaction, you have to be a little bit careful with how you scan the printable coupons. If you just do it willy-nilly and you throw in your printable coupons at the end and expect both digital coupons to apply, you may have some issues. The best way to avoid those issues is to have the cashier or at self-checkout have you scan both the Fructis items, then pause and scan the 3 off 2 Garnier Fructis printable coupon, then scan both the Whole Blends items, scan the 3 off 2 Whole Blends printable coupon, and then you should have no problem with both 3 off 2 digital coupons also applying. Sometimes the printable coupons will apply to the wrong items, which will mess up your digital coupons coming off, so just keep that in mind. Next up, we have a really awesome Dove hair care deal. Dove are $5.59 for the shampoo and conditioner. They're buy 1, get 1 50% off this week, and buy 2, get back a $5 extra buck. So you could just grab 2 of these totaling $8.38 and stop there, earn back your $5 extra buck, making your final cost $3.38 for the 2 of them. But go check your Dove email list. In the most recent emails, there are printable coupons for Dove products, including 75% off 1 hair care printable coupons. So you can print 2 of those, up to 2 of them per email. So that should take off $1.50. You'd be left to pay $6.88. Earning back that $5 extra buck would make the 2 of these just $1.88. If you guys are not already signed up for Dove emails, I'll have it linked in the description box down below where you can sign up so you start receiving those. I wanted to use this 7 off 35 hair care CRT that I have, and many of you may have. I was wanting to combine the whole blends, the Fructis, the Dove, but I wasn't quite at 35, so I threw in this $11.79 L'Oreal Elvive Dream Lengths hair mask. I needed another hair mask for the shower, so I threw that in to hit my $35 spend. The L'Oreal Elvive products are spend 8, get back a $4 extra buck. So with that extra buck deal combined with the 7 off 35, that should make the L'Oreal Elvive hair mask completely free. If you held on to this $4 printable coupon from coupons.com for the Schick and Skintimate disposable razors, you'll have a really awesome deal on these. The Schick disposables and Skintimate disposables are on sale for 2 for $14, and buy 2 get back a $4 extra buck. So you can grab 2 of them. Use that $4 off of one printable coupon. Just use one of those. The reason why you're only using one is because if you have your cashier scan that before they hit total when the digital coupons apply, a 5 off 2 digital coupon should also apply on the purchase of 2 of these. So you should be left to pay $5, but you're going to earn back that $4 extra buck, making your final cost just $1 for 2 of these, which is really, really great. Now, this printable coupon is a couple days expired, but just note that at almost all CVS stores, at every CVS store that I've ever been to, coupons will scan up to 15 days expired. So if your store is cool with it and they don't really check expiration dates that closely, you can totally use that printable coupon, and that will make these a really great deal. Make sure you're always checking your CVS emails. In one of my emails this week for one of my cards, I got a $3 off any acne skincare CRT that I sent to my card. So I'm grabbing one of these Neutrogena bars priced at $3.29. After that $3 CRT that applies, I should pay just 29 cents for this item. Next up, we have a deal on the Gatorade Fast Twitch. These are on sale for 2 for $4.50 or just $2.25 each if you buy them in increments of 2. I'm going to grab a total of 5 of these. The 5th one will be the sale price of $2.89, and the rest should be $2.25. So my total for 5 of these should come to $11.89. I have a 3 off 12 beverage CRT, the beverages from the cooler, and I am at least at the 98% rule of $12 to have that 3 off 12 CRT come off. And then I have 4 $1 printable coupons from coupons.com for the Gatorade Fast Twitch 12 ounce. So that should take off $4 in manufacturer coupons. I should be left to pay $4.89. Then I'm going to submit to the Shop Me and rebate app for $1 back in a manufacturer coupon rebate for the 5th Gatorade bottle that I did not use a printable coupon for. And then I'm going to submit my receipt to Ibotta for $1 back on each one that I bought, up to a limit of 5. Since I bought 5, I'm going to get $1 back for each one, getting a total of $5 back from Ibotta, which is going to make all 5 of these free plus a $1.11 moneymaker. And then I'm also going to submit my receipt to Fetch Rewards because Fetch Rewards is giving bonus points for Gatorade products. All right, so everything went pretty well at CVS. I had an issue with one deal that I'll let you guys know about so you can avoid it. I did do a 7 off 35 hair care transaction, and there was literally no deals I could do to add to the Whole Blends, Fructis, and Dove deal to get me up to the 35 since the hair color did not count. So I ended up just throwing in that Elvive Dream Lengthening Hair Mask. It was $11.79, and Elvive are spend 8, get a $4 extra buck. It just made it free with the 7 off 35, and I figured I might as well get an additional item for free. So in this transaction, like I said, it's the Garnier Fructis, the Whole Blends, the Dove shampoo and conditioner. The purple volume and fullness did attach with no problem to the 75-cent printable coupons. I know the blue bottle, the blue moisture bottle, does not attach. So just be careful which ones you get. You are safe to get this one, and I think a lot of the scented ones also attach. And then I got the hair color, the Clairol, and like I said, that Elvive mask. For coupons, I did item coupon. So I had them scan both of the Garnier Fructis, and then they scanned my 3 off 2 Garnier Fructis printable coupon. Had them scan both of the Whole Blends and had them scan the $3 off 2 Whole Blends printable coupon. And by doing it that way, all of my digitals that were supposed to double dip did come off. And then you see the 2 75-cent Dove printables, my 6 off 2 printable for the Clairol, and then you see all 3 of those digital coupons double dipping and coming off. My 7 off 35 hair care came off, as well as my 4 off 16 hair color. That CRT was from last week, 2 days expired, but scanned perfectly fine. I used $10 in extra bucks to pay, had about an $8 subtotal, which is more than I like to have, but I put it on a Merrifield gift card. Again, Merrifield is linked in the description box down below and the pinned comment to get a $2 bonus. But I'm fine with putting some money on a Merrifield gift card because I'm earning back extra bucks. So whenever I'm low on extra bucks, sometimes I just end up having to put a little bit of money on a gift card. So about $18 out of pocket from the gift card and the extra bucks, but I got back $17 in extra bucks, 2 for the Fructis, 2 for the whole blends, 5 for the Dove, 4 for the Clairol. So that was a total of, and 4 for spending 8 on the L5. So that was a total of 17. So this transaction was just a cost of $1, which is really, really awesome. And I can submit my receipt to Fetch as well to get some bonus points for the Unilever product, which is the Dove. This transaction is super boring on my second card. I just did the Fructis and the whole blends. Again, I scanned item coupon. Everything worked out perfectly fine. I threw in that Neutrogena soap that was $3.29 because I had a $3 acne CRT. Ended up paying like $4, out of pocket, but got back $4 in extra bucks, 2 for the Garnier Fructis and 2 for the Garnier whole blend. So this transaction was free. And I almost forgot to mention the thing that did not work out perfectly with my trip, which was the Twitch deal. So those 12-ounce printable coupons, they were for the exact product, the Twitch 12-ounce. They beeped at the register. Now, my store had the 2 blue flavors. If your store has other flavors, I would recommend getting those instead and trying it out. The coupon beeped for both of the blue flavors at my store, and there was really no reason why, because like I said, the coupon said it was for the exact item. So I wasn't able to get the Twitch drink, so I just voided those off my transaction. It still would be a pretty good deal after the 3 off 12 CRT and the $1 Ibotta rebates on each one, and then submitting to the coupon, or not the coupons app. The coupons app is done, like I said at the beginning of the video. Submitting to the ShopMeum app and the Alexa app. It would be a decent deal, but if you want it free or you're not going to get it at all, I would try the like red or orange flavors to see if the coupon does not beep on those. And final transaction, I did the Garnier and the whole blends again. Won't re-explain that again. And then I also did the Old Spice deal on this transaction. So I had my 3 off 2 instant CRT from last week. Today was the last day for me to use that, since for me that instant CRT expired on Sunday. Or expired on Saturday, and today is Monday, so that's 2 days expired, so that one scanned no problem. And then I used my 3 off 2 digital manufacturer coupon. Both of those came off. I used about $15 in extra bucks to pay for this transaction, but got back a total of $14 in rewards. For extra bucks, I got back 2 for the Fructis, 2 for the whole blends, and 5 for spending $15 on the Old Spice. Plus I submitted my receipt to Ibotta and got back a total of $5 from Ibotta, $2.50 for each of the Old Spice deodorants. So I spent out $15, got back $14, making this transaction just a cost of $1, which is amazing because I got 2 Old Spice deodorants, and I'm actually going to try out this deodorant. It's it's an aluminum free just deodorant, so just scented deodorant stick, the Oasis Vanilla, and I smelled it and it actually smells good even for women. So I'm actually going to try out this one and see how it works. I've been on an aluminum free journey, but I don't like a lot of the women's aluminum free deodorants, so I wanted to try a men's. I use glycolic acid and I combine a deodorant and a aluminum free deodorant. So we'll have to see how this one goes. I just thought it smelled so good. And you guys, the best part is that I got a 10 off 70 CRT. I'm so excited about this. I haven't gotten a 10 off 70 CRT in so long. And I used to get, 6 off 30s, 8 off 40 spend CRTs in my email all the time. And then eventually I ended up getting 10 off 70 email CRTs. And even then I was still happy up until I stopped getting any spend CRTs in my email or printed at the bottom of my receipt, and I was only getting 20% off, which is what's happening still to this day. So seeing those 10 off 70s is definitely welcome. Now, if the deals are not there in a week, I might not use it, but just having them is so good for when there is a good week to be able to get $10 additional off. So I'm excited to see that. And then I'm also going to submit my receipt to PG Good every day since I bought P&G products, which is the Old Spice. I'll get a couple of points that I'll redeem for Starbucks or Dunkin' Donuts gift cards. So if you guys are not already submitting your receipts into PG Good every day, you can also print coupons on that website as well. It's linked in the description box to get some bonus points, and make sure you guys do that as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this week's CVS video. Sorry it's posted a little bit late. Next week it will be posted on Sunday. Make sure to follow me on Facebook at Save with Kayla, and then Instagram and TikTok at kaylakoupons, the same way my channel is spelled. Make sure to check out the Top Cash Back CVS household cleaning deal in the description box and pinned comment. Join Merrifield, and I will catch you guys in the next one.